Good day, Supremes! Today we will be discussing parallelograms. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Last week we were introduced to parallelograms. We said that a parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Today, we will explore more properties of the parallelogram. The first property is that the opposite angles are equal. The second property is that the opposite sides are equal. The third property is that the diagonals bisect each other. Now, let us look at some types of parallelograms. A rectangle is a parallelogram where all angles are right angles. A rectangle is a parallelogram because 1. The opposite sides are parallel. 2. The opposite angles are equal. And 3. The diagonals in a rectangle bisect each other. A rhombus is a parallelogram with all equal sides. A rhombus is a parallelogram because, again, the opposite sides are parallel, the opposite angles are equal, and the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each vertex angle. These diagonals bisect each other at right angles or are perpendicular. What is unique about the rhombus? Well, it contains a pair of adjacent sides which are equal. A square is a parallelogram that is both a rectangle and a rhombus. First, it is a parallelogram because the opposite sides are parallel, the opposite angles are equal, and the opposite sides are equal. Also, the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals meet each side at 45 degrees and are equal in length and bisect each other at right angles. The two diagonals and the two lines joining the midpoints of the opposite sides are axes of symmetry. The square is a rectangle because it is indeed a parallelogram with all angles being right angles. The square is indeed a rhombus because it is a parallelogram with all equal sides. Thank you for watching. In our next lesson, we will explore each type of quadrilateral even further. Bye!